Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I got a little project here. I'm going to make a little scrap steel cart. I've got some casters left over from another project. I don't remember what they went to, but basically I'm just going to build a little cart to get all this metal vertical and give it a place to all go so I can start utilizing the space here under my workbench. And I wanted to use the YesWelder Flux core welder to get a little bit of practice in with it, get a little bit of time in with it. I'm going to do a comparison with the Century FC90 here pretty soon. But for now, I just want to get a feel for it. I'm going to do this little project, hopefully get it done tonight because I've got too many projects. I promised my wife I wouldn't start another project until I finished half of what I've already got going. So hopefully she doesn't see this one. Alright, so this is the base. I'm going to have casters on all four corners and then run up some angle iron for the other corners here on each side and have it sloping up at an angle. So I've got it 24 inches long by 12 inches wide. Alright, so these pieces are 8 inches long. So these uprights here are 20 inches long, so I'm going to have a diagonal piece of just flat bar going across here to make my sides, and then a few going across to kind of divide lengths, you know, for it. And then I got 2 of the 4 casters on. I thought I had 4 of these, but I remember where these came from, and I actually only had 2, so I'll have to buy 2 more tomorrow when I go up to the town that has the Harbor Freight at it. Stick them on the front, but I'm getting pretty close. Alright, so here it is in all its glory. It's probably one of the shoddiest things I've put together in a long time. I built it for almost 100% free. Every single thing that I used to build this cart was free or recycled from another project or something like that. Recycled from another project was the casters. They used to be on my generator before I put it on the trailer. And then the flat bar and the angle iron I pulled out of a bunch of twisted up metal that was cut up and was destined for the scrap yard. So that's where it came from. I literally just made it to hold scrap metal in. I can tell one thing I'm gonna have to do at some point is add in more crossbars because the stuff just kind of wants to fall around. It's not held in real super well, so I probably need to maybe put in one more bar here or a couple of bars across. But yeah, far from perfect. I have no plans to paint it because it's all rusty. It is what it is. It's made out of scrap steel, and I'm sure to last a long time in the shop this way. The only thing I did have to pay for was the front casters because I only had 2, and those were like $5 a piece or something like that. So, you know, I got $10 in this whole cart. It's definitely worth it. So if you like my channel and you enjoy these videos, and you want to help me out, I'm not asking anybody for money. The best thing you can do is go hit the thumbs up button and then leave a comment below. Say whatever you want. Something just as simple as great video or whatever is going to help me out with the YouTube algorithms. So if you could go ahead and do that, I'd really appreciate it. And then also, if you're not a subscriber already, go down and click subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Hope to see you in the next video.